So define the terms homogeneous mixture and heterogeneous mixture. So from the definition, you must understand what the question is saying. First of all, the question wants you to give the answer there. It is 2 marks. Are we together there? So they define the terms homogeneous mixture and heterogeneous what? Mixture. So homogeneous mixture is a mixture in which the solute and the solvent particles, are we together?
Yes.
They are evenly distributed and do not form any what? Any layer. So layer is not being formed. Are we together?
Yes.
In that case, we don't have any layer. No layer is being formed in that case. While if you have some mixtures, layers will always be what? Be formed. Are we together there?
Yes.
So I want you to check here. We have talked of 2 things. Homogeneous mixture is a mixture in which the solute and solvent particles are evenly distributed and do not form any layer. So we have the solute and also we have the what? The solvent. And when we began our lesson today, I talked of something about the particles. Can you remember? So we talked of the solid particles. Check here. We also talk of the liquid. And also we talked of the what? The gas. So the solid particles. Check here, the solid particles. Are we together? If you check here, the solid particles, they are closely packed. Zinakaribiana in the solid state. In the solid state, they are so much closely packed. Are we together?
Yes.
So then, these are particles. I also talked of the what? The liquid state. Zimewachana kidogo. They are far apart. Are we together?
Yes.
While in the gaseous state, sasa zimewachana kabisa. So we have particles in the solid state, and also we have the particles in the liquid what? Liquid state. Are we together there? Yes. So now we are talking of this question. We want to differentiate between the homogeneous and also the heterogeneous mixture. So we are saying that homogeneous mixture is a mixture in which the solute and the solvent. And the solutes, examples, we have the what? We have the salt and sugar. Those are solids. Then also we have the solvent. Solvent, itakuwa in the liquid form. Are we together?
Yes.
Something like water. But also there we have the what? Particles. We have the solvent particles in water or in any other liquid. And also we have the solute particles. So we are saying that homogeneous mixture is a mixture in which the solute and the solvent particles are evenly distributed. And they do not form any layer. You will not see any layer. For example, ukichukua maji, if you take a tin like this or a beaker, then you take salt and you combine salt with water. Then you put it inside air. So after putting it inside air, you will not see any layer. It will that solution itakuwa uniform. Hautaona layer yote. Are we together there? While on the other case, the heterogeneous mixture, you will see the layer. Are we together there? So heterogeneous mixture is a mixture in which the solute, we have the solute and also we have the what? The solvent. They do not evenly mix. They do not mix uniformly and forms layers. For example, water and what? And kerosene. Are we together there?
Yes.
So in this case, in the second case, the layer is formed. Any question of that point? Do you have any question? Huh?
How does water and kerosene?
How does water?
Kerosene go upwards and water remains downward.
Correct. You are asking why, sindio? Yes. Why is it that one inaenda chini na ingine inafanya nini? Inakuja juu. For example, when you take water and also you take water and paraffin. Are we together? Yes. So these kinds of liquids, we can mix them together. Are we together?
Yes.
Na easy, utapata, we are going to have a layer. There's going to be a layer here. Which means, inaonyesha, this one is another one, and this one is another one. Are we together?
Yes.
So what is going to happen? There's what we call density. Uzito. Tuko pamoja? Yes. So you will find that moja ni mzito kushinda ingine. One is denser than the other. Are we together there?
Yes.
So for example, when we have two substances, A and B. So let's assume now we have A and also we have B. Then now you put A and B together. They are all liquids. Then A and B, we put them together. Then we pour them in a tin like this. Then you find that this is A and this is B. So what makes them to behave like that? You find that the one which is denser will be below. And the one which is less denser will be what? Will be higher. Are we together there?
Yeah.
So the one with which is denser will be on the lower part, and the one which is less denser will be the what? The higher part. That in that case, a layer will be formed here, indicating this is less denser than this one. Are we together there?
Yes.
So these are examples of what we call heterogeneous mixture.
Mixtures.
Tuko pamoja?
Yes.
So I want us to combine that definition now together so that we see it. We have said that homogeneous mixture is a mixture in which the solute and solvent particles are evenly distributed. They are evenly distributed. Are we together?
Yes.
And they do not form any layer.
They do not
Any
form
layer. So they do not form any layer. And I talk of a layer will be formed like this here. Are we together there?
Yes.
They do not form any layer. While heterogeneous mixture is a mixture in which now we have the solute and also we have the what? The solvent. Tuko pamoja?
Yes.
What happens? They do not evenly mix. They do not evenly mix, and now in that case they form the layers. Are we together?
Yes.
For example,
Water.
we have talked of water
And kerosene.
and
Kerosene.
kerosene. So what is important here is for you to understand these two terms, the homogeneous mixture, and also we have talked of the what? Heterogeneous
Mixtures.
mixtures. Are we together there?
Yes.
So here we are going to have a layer. Tuko pamoja?
Yes.
In the first case, in the homogeneous mixture, are we going to have a layer?
No.
Huh?
No.
In the homogeneous mixture, we are not going to have any layer.
Layer.
Any layer. While in this case, we are going to have a
A layer.
layer. Are we together there?
Yes.
Any question up to that point?
No questions.
Any question, Spencer?
No question.
So if there is no question, I think that is better. We can again take another question so that at least we can be able to see what happens. Are we together there? So remember just about remember this tip solute and solvent is going to give us the what? The solution. Are we together there?
Yes.
Remember that one always. So let's see the next question again.